Hi, welcome back to our channel, Tiana and Ace Taste. Today is Oatmeal Cookie Day. Yep, Oatmeal Cookie Day. Gluten-free, dairy-free, and refined sugar-free. And Tiana is gonna show us how to do this. Are you ready?
So today I'm going to be showing you how I make my oatmeal chocolate chip cookies. So the first thing you need is your bowl, and to that I'm going to be adding 2/3 of a cup of maple sugar, 1/2 of a cup of coconut sugar, and then 1/2 a cup of butter. Now, but this is a non-dairy butter. The one that I've been using lately is this Country Crock plant butter. Whether it be avocado oil or they have another one that's olive oil, I find that it's a lot harder and it seems to work better in baking. And honestly, I think it tastes a little bit more like a traditional butter. So that one I've been liking a lot. Like I said, that's 1/2 a cup of butter. And then what you're gonna do is just mix with a hand mixer the sugar and the butter until they get well incorporated. And then to that, I'm going to add 1 egg. I'm just gonna pause and wash my hands after that. And then I'm going to add a teaspoon of vanilla. Got 1/2 left in that one. And then again, just use your hand mixer to mix that together. All right, so then when that's done, now we can add in our dry ingredients. And for the dry ingredients, it's 1 cup of, I use Bob's Red Mill gluten-free all-purpose flour, 1/2 a cup of oat flour, 2/3 of a cup of oatmeal, 1 tablespoon of xanthum gum, and the xanthum gum helps to bind them together, 1 teaspoon of baking soda, and 1/4 of a teaspoon of salt. And then again, you can just use your hand mixer to mix that together. And this dough is a little bit on the drier side, which is nice. It makes it so that you can easily form them into balls. So for the chocolate chip part, you can use any non-dairy chocolate chip. I had Who chunks, so I just kind of cut them up into smaller pieces. And in general, I'd say like 1/3 of a bag of regular chocolate chips to 1/2 a bag. It really depends how much you want in there. And then I'm just going to use a spoon to mix these together. And while you're working on, making the dough, it's a good idea to have your oven preheated to 350 degrees. And then basically all you're gonna do is take your dough, roll it into a ball. I just kind of use the tablespoon measure, and then pop that on your cookie sheet. And I will be back when all of my cookies are on the cookie sheet. So these are what they look like trayed, like on the baking sheet, and I did put a piece of parchment paper just because it's easier to take them off. So I'm just going to pop these in the oven for about 10 to 12 minutes, and then I will show you them when they are all complete.
In the oven, 350 degrees, 10 to 12 minutes, and look at these cookies. Don't you just want to dive in? I know I do. And they're delicious. Thank you so much for joining us. If you like the video, please give it a thumbs up, share it with family and friends, comment below. Anything you'd like us to try? We're open to suggestions. Oh my God. Today is oatmeal cookie day. It's oatmeal cookie. It's oatmeal cookie day. Oh my God, what is wrong with me? Subscribe if you haven't, and if you have, thank you very much. Post weekly.